My new roller derby hobby has kept me busy this year. I've been having fun crafting fun things for my roller skates. Today I'm going to share a free printable pattern for toe caps. These protect your skates from getting scuffed. I've tried these toe caps on a variety of skates, Rydell's, Bonts, and Paula's, and I found that they fit pretty well. There's some wiggle room in the design that will allow you to adjust it for a perfect fit. But first, let's talk materials. Leather is my first choice because of its durability. You'll either need an 8.5 by 11 sheet or two 6 by 6 inch squares. I bought this turquoise leather for $7 using a coupon at Joann's. You can also use vinyl as a less expensive option. You can even recycle a handbag for this project. However, I recommend using a nail file to scratch up a small section of the material so you can see what it will look like when the toe guard gets scuffed. If another color shows through, this isn't the best choice. If the color runs all the way through the material, it will probably work just fine. Print the free pattern from madebymarzipan.com. Cut it out, removing the wedge shapes and circle holes. Now we'll test the pattern for fit. Fold the upper flaps behind the front flap so that the points meet at center and tape in place. Fold the lower flaps behind the bottom flap so that the corners just touch the outside edge of the toe stop hole. Tape in place. Remove the toe stop from your skate and slide on the paper toe guard. Check to make sure the toe guard hole aligns with the hole on your skate and that it is cut large enough. If the toe guard is too narrow to slide onto your skate, untape the upper flaps and adjust them so the points are farther apart. Retape and try it on again. If it's a good fit, mark the new placement on the pattern. I like to trace my pattern directly on the back of my material. The marks will be on the inside, so they won't show. Trace close to the edge of the material to ensure that you'll be able to cut both toe caps from it. Remember to mark the holes and slits as well. Cut out the toe cap pieces. Next we will add the eyelets for the laces. Fold the upper flaps behind the top flap so the points meet at center. Or if you made adjustments, check your pattern to see what distance to space them apart. Using a punch or awl, punch through both layers of fabric. I'm using my crocodile tool. Insert an eyelet and use an eyelet setter to secure them.
I don't feel afraid to innovate. Don't miss a chance to be creative. Don't. Why don't I try this at home? Try this at home.
Now we will add the double cap rivets to secure the flaps. Alternately, you can sew the flaps in place. Leather can be difficult to sew through. I recommend switching to a leather needle, adjusting your tension, and lengthening your stitches. Practice on a piece of scrap material first. Punch the rivet holes where they are indicated by the stars on the pattern. Use a double cap rivet setter to secure. I bought the rivets and setter at Joann's. Place the toe cap on your skate and tighten the toe stop, being careful to hold the material in place so it doesn't twist as you secure the toe stop. Add your lace by poking down through the front of the toe guard, Then continue lacing as normal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. To print the free pattern, search for roller skate toe caps on madebymarzipan.com.
Try this at home.